I'm gonna change the cabin filter in Hyundai entourage. First of all, I'm going to remove this one. Pull it out and it will come like this. There are two brackets on right and left. You can also call them clip, and they are pretty hard to come out, but I can walk you through how you can take them out. I already took out the left bracket, now taking out the right one. What I did, I push it inside, then hold the clip. I start to move the cover up and down. I was keep pulling out the bracket or the clip with a gentle pressure, and it came out. Now I'm gonna change the cabin filter. There are two clips here. Push them up and take out this part. I am taking out the cabin filter. I'm installing a new filter. This part does not fit back with the new filter because this is the first time there was a cabin filter ever been changed on this car. So I'm just going to put this box back. I'm going to install this part back. It is not the straight go like this. I have to keep move this up and down, and when it will fit, I will push it in. So I'm going to install it right here. So this one is done. I will do the same with the other one. I put the left bracket as well. This is the last part. I am doing it now. Pull it down and push it in like this, and then push it in. If this video helped, give a thumbs up. Thanks.